Hello, my name is Zoe and I work for the City of Canada Bay Libraries. Today I will be showing you how to get started with your Makey Makey kit that you've borrowed from the learning space in Rhodes. First, I would like to acknowledge the Wango people of the Eora Nation, the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respect to the elders, past, present, and emerging. Now let's begin. In the kit, you will find a Makey Makey board, a USB cable, a bunch of alligator clips, also called crocodile clips, and some pin-to-pin hookup wires. You also need a laptop to work with Makey Makey. What is a Makey Makey? It can turn almost anything into a computer input. What does that mean? It means you can make your own computer mouse, keyboard. You can make your own game controller. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I really like this platform because it's super easy to get started. And if you want to code, sure, you can use pre-existing Scratch programs with it. Or if you don't want to code, that's not a problem either. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Makey Makey to make a game controller without any coding. Now let's look at how to set up Makey Makey. First, we need to plug in USB. Your Makey Makey needs some power. Grab the USB cable, the small end to Makey Makey, and the big end to your laptop. Now you can find on the back, the red light is lit. That means the power is on. Then step 2, we need to connect to us. See this us at the bottom on the front of your Makey Makey? Grab an alligator clip, clip on it. And you will need to hold onto the other end. Hold the metal part, not the plastic cover. And now if you use your finger to touch any of the pads, say if I touch the space pad, the green light will be on. And you can see your computer has reaction too. Why you need to connect to us? Because Makey Makey needs a complete circuit to work. And while you are holding onto it, we call this grounded. So now you are grounded. Now let's use Makey Makey with a game. I'm going to use a Pac-Man game. Just Google Makey Makey Pac-Man, you will find it on Scratch. For Pac-Man, we need 4 arrows to work, right? The up, down, left, and right. Grab an alligator clip. Clip on each arrows. That's for up. I'm using the red one for left, the white one for right, and the green one for the down arrow. You can also clip on the back of Makey Makey. Now, to make a game controller, you need some conductive materials. In your everyday stuff, what are conductive materials? Some examples are fruits, things made of metal, even a glass of water, your marshmallow, and gummy bears. They are all conductive. Find some conductive materials from your home. I'm using the fruits here. Grab the other end of the crocodile clip and insert into the fruit. Do the same for this one. And I'll clip the yellow alligator clip on this ruler. And I'll link the ring to the green one. Now you've got them connected, and we want to arrange them in order so that it's easier to play. Yellow one is up. And now you are almost there. Make sure you are grounded. Hold on the earth clip, and then touch the conductive material that you found. Okay, the Pac-Man program is loading. And now touch them, touch the fruit. As you can see from the computer screen, it's not working, so you can start play your game. You can even run a family competition at home to see who can nail the highest score with your self-made game controller. Now that you are set up and ready to go, you can find a fun activity ready to download from the Canada Bay Collaborate website. We've also included links to other websites where you can find more activities and easy to follow instructions. We hope you enjoy your Makey Makey kit.